Standing over a mixing bowl for 20 minutes with a weak hand mixer that leaves your arm aching, or watching your old mixer strain, smoke, and stall out the moment you try to knead a heavy loaf of bread dough is an absolute nightmare that completely drains the joy out of baking. Relying on manual mixing or cheap plastic appliances traps you with lumpy batters, flour splattering all over your clean countertops, and unevenly incorporated ingredients that ruin your favorite recipes. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer, KSM150PS, completely rescues you from baking fatigue and kitchen messes, functioning as a heavy-duty, commercial-grade culinary workstation engineered to handle your toughest culinary projects with absolute elegance. Don't let its stunning, earthy juniper green finish fool you. Beneath that beautiful exterior lies a rugged, all-metal powerhouse built to last for generations. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its legendary 59-point planetary mixing action. Instead of just spinning in circles, the beater touches 59 distinct points inside the premium polished stainless steel bowl with every single rotation, ensuring every scrap of flour, sugar, and butter is thoroughly integrated without you ever needing to scrape the sides. The intuitive tilt-head design gives you instant, unhindered access to the bowl, making it effortless to add ingredients mid-recipe, while the included pouring shield keeps lightweight ingredients from flying out. Engineered to grow with your culinary ambitions, this artisan mixer is far more than just a cake maker. It features a universal, high-torque front attachment hub that transforms the machine into a multi-configurable kitchen engine. By plugging in optional KitchenAid attachments, you can instantly convert your mixer into a fresh pasta roller, a meat grinder, a vegetable spiralizer, or even an ice cream maker. Boasting a massive 5-quart capacity that easily handles up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch, and 10 precise speed settings driven by a robust direct drive transmission, it is the ultimate, stress-free luxury upgrade for home bakers, holiday entertainers, and passionate foodies who demand uncompromised, professional-grade performance and timeless counter appeal. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are grabbing this Juniper artisan mixer to master homemade sourdough or to elevate your holiday baking game. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen appliances, baking gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.